Hello. So let us practice one more problem. A regular hexagon, similar to the previous problem, regular hexagon plane, 30 side is resting on VP on one of its corner. Difference between the last problem and this problem is, in this problem hexagon plane is resting on its corner with the surface of the plane making 40 degrees inclination with VP. Now the surface is inclined to VP. Is inclined to VP means already you know that before inclined to VP it was parallel to VP. When it is parallel to VP, the true shape is obtained in front view. True shape is obtained in front view. So now first you have to draw the front view. And so given figure is hexagon resting on corner. Okay, so now first draw one reference line so that you can place the template. So now using that reference line, and what is the size given here? It is 30, that is hexagon corner position 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, so like this. So match the 30 line, then mark the points here, following through the 30 line. So now after marking all these points, you have to join all these points in order, that is then again one more point, then again and base, like this. Join all the dots, okay, using template. In exam also you can use the template. Okay, so now you have joined it. So now mark the notations, points. Now A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, E dash and F dash. Okay, so you have drawn the assumption, that is when the surface is inclined with VP, you assume that before inclined with VP it was parallel to VP, and you have drawn the front view. Now draw the project notations also you have drawn. While drawing you have taken care that the corner is equally inclined, that is 45 degrees 45, but you are constructing taking one side parallel, automatically you will get equal inclinations. Now from these points draw vertical projections downwards, thin line, very thin line. So here when you are drawn, it passes through C and A also, okay, and sorry, D and A also. Again here also draw the vertical projectors. Before that you have to draw the axis line, that is reference line, that is XY line you have to draw. So now, so this is the reference line, right? So mark here at X and Y. Now after vertical projectors like this, if you want you can show the arrow marks, even if you are not shown, no problem. Looking from the top, which is visible? F is visible, E is visible, D is visible, C is visible, B not visible, A not visible. Okay, now you have drawn the front view and top view. Now the surface is inclined at what angle? So how much? 40 degrees. So anywhere on the XY line mark the point using protractor at 40 degrees, mark the point, then join that point with the, before that you have to draw, okay, no problem. So join with this point. Okay, so this is the line. Now you have to transfer these distances using compass, that is F1 dash from F1 to E. So here mark it here, and this is E1 from E1 to D. So here you can mark it as D1, then D1 to C, and here you can mark it as C1. So which are bracket? A1 bracket, here B1 is in bracket. Now you have to draw the vertical projections. Vertical projections upwards, vertical. Now, so vertical projections upward, thin projectors, thin, very very thin projector. So when you are practicing, use 2H pencil, 2H pencil, then you will get very like this, and like this, thin projectors upwards. So here if you want, you can mark the arrow marks, not necessary, just. Then horizontal projectors from front view, thin horizontal projectors, right, intersection of these projectors. Now see the F vertical, F horizontal, F1 dash, E vertical, E vertical, E horizontal, E1 dash, D vertical, D horizontal, D1 dash, C vertical, C horizontal, C1 dash, then B vertical, B horizontal, B1 dash, A vertical, A horizontal, A1 dash. Like this you can mark the arrows if you want. Now join all these points in order, that is A1, B1, then with C1, D1, E1, like this. Join all the points, so you will get the final front view, final front view. This is the required final front view, but actually final front view should be thick, and initial, that is assumption that front view should be thin. This final should be thick line, all thick line, but it's the same shape, but in size it differs. In size it is not a regular, but inside, but shape hexagon shape. So now again to draw the side view, same procedure, draw x dash y dash line, x dash y dash line from the intersection point O, and taking horizontal reference, that is xy line as reference line, and intersection point as a reference point, so 45 degrees line. Then join this line with the O, and this is the line. Now you have to draw the horizontal projectors from the final top view, they like this, horizontal projectors, then horizontal projector, then similarly from the points on this line, vertical projectors, vertical projector, then vertical projector, then vertical projector. Again horizontal projectors from the final front view, horizontal projector, then horizontal projectors. Okay, now you have to locate the points in side view. Now see, F horizontal, F vertical, again F horizontal, F dash dash. Okay, so now E horizontal, E vertical, E horizontal, E dash dash, D horizontal, D vertical, D horizontal, D dash dash, D dash. Similarly, C horizontal, C vertical, okay, again C horizontal, that is C dash dash. Then B horizontal, B vertical, and B horizontal, that is B dash dash. Then similarly from A also, A dash dash. Now finally you have to join all these points in order. thick lines, thick line, A dash dash, B dash dash, then B dash dash, then C dash dash, thick lines, then E dash dash, then again F dash dash. Okay, so that finishes the side view. So here angle is 45 degrees, so the surface angle is 40 degrees. Okay, so now that is the end. Okay, so finally you can see the final front view, final assumed front view, assumed top view, final front view, final top view, then 45 degrees line, and final side view, only side view, not final side view, just side view. Okay, okay, thank you.